Well, good evening once again. Day 1425 of the Trump administration, 37 days until the inauguration of Joe Biden as the 46th president. We come on the air at the end of a history-making day, a day that saw the first vaccinations in our country, a day when the Electoral College made Joe Biden's election already official, even more official if that's possible. This was also the day Attorney General Bill Barr decided to spend more time with his family. There's one more thing. As we enter the teeth of this dark winter of the pandemic, our nation's death toll today surpassed 300,000 souls. It will take months, perhaps a season or two, before the vaccine is our ticket out of this and we're anywhere closer to being in the clear. But that journey started with a single shot today when an ICU nurse in New York became the first person in our country to get the vaccine, and afterwards spoke with more emotion and more understanding of public health than we heard from the president today.
I feel hopeful today, relieved. I feel like healing is coming. I hope this marks the beginning to the end of a very painful time in our history. I want to instill public confidence that the vaccine is safe. We're in a pandemic, and so we all need to do our parts.
How about that? And the virus has tightened its grip on this country. Indeed, the outgoing president ignored the crisis again today while keeping up his campaign to deny his defeat at the ballot box and overturn the election. Today, the Electoral College cemented Joe Biden's victory after weeks of legal challenges that went all the way to the Supreme Court. The effort was focused on 6 battleground states that have now all affirmed the will of the voters.
The electors of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania have cast 20 votes for the Honorable Joseph R. Biden for President of the United States.
The electors have unanimously cast 16 votes for Joseph R. Biden.
Madam Secretary, we have 6 votes for Joseph R. Biden for President.
Wisconsin cast its 10 electoral votes for President of the United States of America to Joseph R. Biden, Jr.
The people of Arizona selected Joseph Biden and Kamala Harris, and the electors will cast their votes accordingly.
16 Electoral College votes on behalf of the state of Georgia for Joseph R. Biden as President of the United States.
California's 55 Electoral College votes pushed the Biden-Harris ticket over the threshold of 270 tonight. Biden spoke this evening after his win was confirmed and cemented, and for the first time, he attacked Donald Trump's attacks on our democracy and Trump's effort to overturn this election.
The Trump campaign brought dozens and dozens and dozens of legal challenges to test the result. They were heard again and again, and each of the time they were heard, they were found to be without merit. None of this has stopped baseless claims about the legitimacy of the results. Even more stunning, 17 Republican attorneys general and 126 Republican members of the Congress actually signed on to a lawsuit filed by the state of Texas. That lawsuit asked the United States Supreme Court to reject the certified vote counts in Georgia, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin. It's a position so extreme, we've never seen it before. A position that refused to respect the will of the people, refused to respect the rule of law, and refused to honor our Constitution.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.